Good morning, I'm Manny Anton for Finance News Network. Stocks rallied Friday, recovering the ground lost in the previous session as Treasury yields stabilised. It was a reversal from Thursday's trading in which the rate on the 10-year jumped more than 10 basis points. The spike in yields followed a dismal Treasury Department bond auction and comments from the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell that suggested more intervention may be needed to quell inflation. The Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 1.15%, the S&P 500 climbed 1.56%, the Nasdaq Composite added 2.05%, notching its best day since May. All sectors of the S&P 500 were positive Friday, but tech outperformed, rising 2.6%. Microsoft leapt to all-time highs during the session and ended the day higher by 2.5%. Apple, Meta, Tesla and Netflix all jumped more than 2% each, while Alphabet gained 1.8%. Friday's surge was also enough to lift the three major averages for a second consecutive week of gains. The S&P 500 advanced 1.3%, while the Dow added about 0.7%. The Nasdaq was the outperformer, rising roughly 2.4% on the week. Oil settled slightly higher on Friday, but was still down 4% for the week after a sell-off on concerns that the global economy is on the verge of a slowdown that will hit demand. Markets began to worry that troubling economic data out of Europe and China signalled a global slowdown is on the horizon. Brent crude contracts for January rose $1.42 or 1.77% to settle at $81.43 a barrel, whilst West Texas Intermediate gained $1.43 or 1.89% to settle at $77.71 a barrel. In other news, it will be a busy week ahead with several key economic indicators due. The US monthly consumer price data is due out on Tuesday and will provide further guidance on the state of the US economy and the likelihood of a further rate rise from the Federal Reserve. Monthly US producer price index figures will follow on Thursday, and CPI from the UK will be released on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, China's retail sales and industrial production figures will be released. And to finish the week, the US unemployment data will be released on Friday morning. Moving to the local market, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thank you for watching and have a great day.